What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very quick video on how I transform my little crusty, dusty, and all the above straight hair into something more presentable, a little bit more fun, and all of that. So guys, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe. And we're just going to get right into this super easy and super quick video slash hairstyle. Alright everybody, so we're going to start off this hairstyle by parting our hair directly down the middle. It doesn't have to be a straight part, but you are going to be braiding up your hair and having it like that for a few days and then taking it loose, so you may want to get as close as you can. Then we're going to brush our hair either with a powder brush or whatever kind of brush, wide tooth comb that you feel like using. Next, we're going to take some of our Cheese Silk Infusion and just put that along the length of our hair. And you guys will also see me using the Natural All Club Hair Growth Serum. And I've been using that since my hair has been getting a little bit more greasy. I've been putting that on my scalp only, just so that way I can increase like that blood flow and just try to get the oil on my scalp as opposed to my hair ends. Alright everyone, so onto the braiding. This is not a braiding tutorial video, so if you want to know how to braid, just go on to one of my last videos. I think it was like the Dutch braid or something, how to do a Dutch braid, but I did speed this part up so that way this video is not too long. So we're just going to put 2 braids on our head and leave it like that for a few days.
Four to 6 days later.
Alright, so it's been a few days and it looks like I've climbed through a rat's hole and nest and everything above. We're going to take more of that Cheese Silk Infusion, rub that along our hands, and begin to unravel the braids so that way we can reduce the frizz just a little bit. So at this point, even though I look real serious, we're going to start to kind of unclump our hair, unclump the little braid sections, so that way we can create more volume and have it a little bit more voluminous. And also, I did not know this, but I didn't think it was going to come out looking like the wet look, but I guess that works out in my favor because I actually loved the look. Alright guys, so you're going to see me flipping my hair all around to create a little bit more volume and to unclump those waves. You're also going to see me take a wide tooth comb to create a little bit more volume and make it a little bit bigger and thicker-ish looking. With the wide tooth comb, you don't want to overdo it because if you do, you're going to end up loosening those waves and you can't get it back unless you re-braid your hair. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so at this point, we are pretty much done guys. This is the final look. I am done with all the playing in my hair. This is it. I do hope you guys like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.